Diphu Lorulangso ahithi lapen DGC pathu aklam along Kepangthir asai kede. Methang ade methang si Kepangthir nangji pu kamatha ponpen pini hill gas agency Bharatgas atumpen patirpi ponsi lasolong Diphu active reporter team lapen Green Hill Society NGO Heritage Learning Program DGC SUS Diphu Municipal Board atum chelangsi Diphu Golf College pathu aklam lapen Diphu Lorulangso ahithi along Kepangthir asai keklem pon Bangso Kepangthir pon along hill gas agency Bharatgas atu mesen nangji pu Matha ponsi kaddo kave cerap cetodun pen Diphu Golf College pathu aklam along adab along Pangthir padu lasopi Diphu Lorulangso ithi puthot Pangthir damlo lapu Pangthir bomahut DGC pathu aklam along araki kirim abdang adimason mandet si thek damlo ladak holabong lapen drugs amu tame kelong pontu lasi majo katumle lapuson adim along hor kijun dam lapen drugs kichu adim kapamandet ke ningtuk meme bino athe DGC pathu aklam along ke isi kapathu awai kang adimate kachali atum kapathu adim lasi kewangji langani lapuson paman pon pedaji aphan Diphu Golf College Student Union Society Mayphi Clark at Rong Pipi Pen Kachori Padupon Lapu Hill Gas Agency Bharatgas Ahempu Kareng Rong Hang Pipen Perangke Angno Kaninje Ponke Kai Keta Nitumke Kepangthir asai along Chirabdun Bomji Lapen Pini asai ke klem along Nangka Chirabdun An Aphan Kachoro Pajir Athe Methang Adim Kepangthir at Pulotangte Celang mesen lapen ingthir et pute kat kedo kedam ta mesen bota ningje pon son si kewangji lang arni lapuson Kepangthir pon bomji aphan lamrai ding pon lapen kaprek ason tame keklemji aphan pini bangso Kepangthir asai along bidi doan chethan pon news desk report news fast Karbi.
Today we are assembled here, all of us from different society, from different NGO. We have come here for a cleanliness drive. First we have cleaned Diphu Government College field, and then after that we continued cleaning here. Although we have started very small, but we hope that the people of Diphu, of Karbi Anglong, can carry on this initiative so that we have a beautiful, clean environment, because it is necessary not only for us as human beings to have a safe and clean environment, it is also beneficial and necessary for organisms and every other things to sustain in this earth. So I hope that all of us can collaborate and come together and do this cleanliness drive, not only today, but every year or maybe every week if we can, because together we can do anything. So thank you everyone for coming.
Ini lah soal saya kede, cleanliness drive. Apa ada bangke ini arang caung ulah dan tumpahan kelong pen. Mau non ke bangi lang kita me pucara kita tak klaim tu rakyat na. Lasi non ini ya son nang itu makap long tak klaim pucara julong pada government college bangsa.
Lapen ke pathu parong ro adim binak laki hor ki jun ke pater apu phan kali majo ka phan sitame nang pathuri nang juiri pe sitame si sai ke mi aphan nang li tumna ignon lapen ki ke pater pathu te kang sitame nang li tum pene ason cho sitame nang li tum war te kang ikedanon athi chilang no dak Diphu Government College pudi isi banai lapen ki thenai isi college lo Karbi Anglong pen ke dak an si penangan atum ke akithek lapen ke aman kido ki claim kidam bang phia bang phus tami nang man lo laso college aphan litum aman ki pi ke kenang sot lasi nili chuning re iglo laso college aphan ang litum penang anaman pi pen ang litum chematha pen ang litum mithang aware pen ang litum arni kang sam la hor ki jun lapen nang litum agari ahum bang open la college boundaries are loke sailang no la hai sitami nang claim ik edet po pusini chuniri iglo lan ben si lam thing